Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. So I am showing you the last 3 entries to my birthday challenge. So these are the last entries and this one comes from Marisela Moreno, and she sent me a note card, which is this one right here. Hi Anna, hope you're feeling better. Hope you like the cards. They're plain, but hopefully you can use them. And absolutely, I sure can, Marisela. Thank you. Still trying to learn how to craft. Hugs, Mari M. So Mari, I appreciate your entry. I really do. And yes, I'm sure I'm going to love them. This was her note card, and I appreciate the note card. So this is the first card that she sent me, and she sent the envelope as well. Thank you, Marisela. I appreciate that. I really do. And this is very pretty. Yes, they are plain, but it is beautiful. That is just gorgeous. I love it. And of course, the inside is blank. And guys, if your cards do not have your name on the back, I'm going to put your names on the back of each card before I put them away. That way, when I do use them, people know who made the cards. So I'll be putting Marisela's name on the back, Mari. And then this one's another one. This one's really pretty, actually. And she used a piece of book, a page book on the background. And guys, I'm still getting used to my setup. My light on the left-hand side, it just flickers. It's been flickering, so I don't want to use it because I noticed in the last video it was flickering quite a bit. So now I have to look into getting a new light. But the one on the right is just fine, at least for me it is. This is her second card, and look at that owl. Isn't that beautiful? Mari, you did good, Mari. Yeah, you did good. I think they're pretty. So again, I'll be putting her name on the back of this one. And then she did send me a little goodie and a little extra. Thank you so much, Mari. These butterflies are beautiful. And I don't think I have any of these. As a matter of fact, I'm sure I don't. So Mari, thank you so much for your entry. I appreciate that. And then the next one comes from Lisa Goss. She is Happy Crafter here on YouTube. And yes, I did take a peek. I've been trying to open the packages as much as I can without actually looking in there. But here are her cards, and oh, isn't that, her packaging is always so pretty. So I didn't want to take the time to have to do that with you guys. So here is her entry, and let's see what she has sent. So she sent me a pretty little dangle. She carries these in her shop, guys. They're always something a little different, but this one, they are called ready to bead dangles. So that's super cute, Lisa. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And look at her cards, guys. Oh my goodness, look at these cards. Oh, so pretty. Let me open them because they are beautiful. Let me see the first card. And of course, she sent the envelopes. But look at this card, guys. How pretty. Look at all that layering. She has a scallop layer at the bottom on top of the card base, and then a stitch layering on top of that one, and then another iridescent scalloped layer on the top, and then this round one, and then her beautiful flowers. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. And it says handmade by Happy Crafter. Oh, these are beautiful, Lisa. Thank you so much. And this one opens this way. Oh, how pretty. She put a scalloped inside of this card right here. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Thank you, Lisa. And look at the second one, guys. How pretty is this card, guys? Seriously, I think it goes this way. How pretty. Look at her flowers. Lisa makes some beautiful flowers, guys. You should check out her website when you get a chance. She makes and sells some beautiful flowers. Look at these. I don't know if the camera is picking up these beads, these the flat back beads. Those have like an iridescent shimmer in them. Oh, they're beautiful. Her leaves, everything is just gorgeous. And again, she's done multiple layers. The one on the top, of course, is up on foam, and that is so pretty. Thank you, Lisa. And on the inside, again, she has lined the inside with a stitch layering piece. How pretty. Perfect. Handmade by Lisa. So pretty, Lisa. I appreciate those. And then she sent some more little note cards, and these are, you know, small note cards that I can put in with my swaps or whatever I'm sending out. And these will come in handy. Oh, how cute. Crafty friends are the best friends. Thank you for swapping with me. Oh, I love that one. Thank you for swapping with me. And she's put pink and white. Oh, these are awesome. And then the rest of them. Oh, no. Thank you for swapping with me. Crafty friends are the best friends. Thank you and thank you. Yes, these are going to come in handy. They really are, because you know how I feel about cards. And then she sent me a package of note cards. So this one says hello, and it looks like they are all the same, and they all have an envelope. How pretty are these? Oh my goodness. Lisa, thank you so much. I appreciate your entry. They are beautiful. They're beyond beautiful. They're gorgeous cards. And then the last entry, guys, comes from Millie Rivera. And she's an admin with, and she sent a little tag. She is an admin with the group Made by You, and I know I'm not centered, guys, like right in the middle, but there's that shadow, so I'm kind of scooting you over a little bit. So she sent me her entry. So this one comes from Millie. Thank you, Millie. I appreciate it. So this is super cute. I believe it is a pen, and it opens this way. There you go. Millie, thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. So that's a beautiful pin that goes with the set. And then here are her cards, and she put them in this cute little oh, look at this, guys. This stands. Oh, how cute. She put them in this cute little stand. I can put my note cards in there. There we go. And then the pin. Okay. There we go. Oh, that is so cute, guys. That is so adorable. This is the side view. I don't know if you can actually see that. Let me see if you can see that. It's a little bit better, but look at that. Isn't that cute? Stands that way. Oh, that's adorable. That is so cute. Thank you, Millie. So then this is her entry. These are her cards, along with this cute little desktop stand. That's so cute. I like that. I really like that. So cute. And then these are her cards, guys. So this one says thanks to you, and she has included the envelopes. She's lined the inside, and I'll be putting her name on the back. So super cute. And this one also says thank you. Love those little gems. Just love those. And again, I'll put her name on the back on all of these. This one's so pretty in green. It says thank you. And this one opens this way, and oh, it's got those pretty leaves on the inside. How pretty is that? Oh, that's pretty. Oh, and it's got one on the back. I wonder if these have any on the back. And no, this one doesn't, because we checked this one. So this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, Millie, this one's pretty. Thank you. Love that. And then this one says friend. And there's the envelope. And then this one opens up to the top. So pretty. And she may have colored that. That looks so pretty. It looks like might be some in black embossing there. So pretty. Thank you so much, Millie. I appreciate that. I love this little desktop organizer thing. I don't know what it's called, but to me it's a desktop organizer. So I am going to, actually, I can't see what I'm doing, guys. Okay, there we go. So I'm probably gonna display this right now. Oh, so cute. All right, guys, those were the last 3 entries to my challenge. The next video I put out, I am going to pick a winner. All right, guys, thank you so much for your entries. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot, guys.